Imagine creating stunning animated videos that rack up millions of views without ever showing your face. That's exactly what creators are doing right now with the help of a powerful new AI tool called Videoinu. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Videoinu to turn simple story prompts into full 3D animated videos that not only look incredible, but also have the potential to go viral across YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. This isn't just another AI gimmick. With Videoinu, you can create highly engaging, monetizable content in minutes, even if you've never edited a video before. This tool is an advanced AI generator that gives you total control over your characters and scenes. You'll learn how to build consistent characters that appear perfectly consistent in every scene, how to use the storyboard system to build your story flow, and how to turn a single prompt into a fully animated faceless video that keeps your audience watching from start to finish. The best part? It's fast, beginner-friendly, and designed to help creators like you grow your channel, build a brand, and earn real money from your content. Faceless content is exploding right now, and Videoinu gives you everything you need to join the trend. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because I'll be walking you through everything step by step. Now let's dive in. Head over to Videoinu using the link in the description below and sign up with your email to create a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a clean and simple dashboard that's perfect for beginners. You'll receive 1,500 free credits to start creating content. The interface is easy to navigate, even if it's your first time using an AI video tool. You'll see two main features right away. The first is the AI video generator, where you can turn a single text prompt into a high-quality animated video using Videoinu's powerful storyboard-based system. It's ideal for creating viral 3D stories, explainer videos, or faceless content for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. The second is the AI character generator, which lets you design unique and customizable characters. Now let's start with creating AI character. From the main dashboard, click on AI Character Generator. This will open up the character creation interface, where we'll build a fully customizable digital character step by step. Start by giving your character a name. Then, under the category section, select Human. Choose your character's gender, either male or female, and then pick an age group, child, youth, or senior. Next comes the character prompt, where you describe the visual appearance and traits of your character. For this example, for hair, I will go with short hair. For skin, cybernetic with glowing elements. For clothing, tactical armor with neon trim. For hair color, silver. For accessories, mechanical gauntlet. You can get creative here and add as many details as you like to bring your character to life. There's also the option to upload a reference image, which the AI can use to generate a character based on a specific look or style you're aiming for. Now scroll down and choose your character style. Videoinu offers a wide range of styles, including 3D cartoon, Disney-inspired, realistic, epic, and more. For this character, we'll go with the epic style to give it a cinematic, high-impact look. When everything's set, click Generate and let Videoinu's AI engine do the rest. Within seconds, your AI character will be fully generated, complete with all the details you added. The speed and quality of the results are one of Videoinu's best features. If you want to tweak anything, you can go back and modify the prompt or design elements. But if you're happy with how it looks, click Confirm and your custom AI character now ready. Now it's time to create our 3D animation story video using the AI video generator. Click on the AI video generator option and you'll be taken to the content creation interface. In the script section, you'll see two powerful options for building your story. The first is Smart Script. Simply enter your video idea or topic, and the AI will automatically generate a full storyboard, breaking your concept into individual scenes for a complete animated video. If you're not sure what to create, just click on Sample Idea, and Videoinu will suggest creative, viral-friendly video ideas you can use instantly. The second option is Basic Script. This is ideal if you already have a detailed script ready. You can paste it directly into the box and the AI will animate it based on your custom story. For this tutorial, we'll use the Smart Script feature. Paste your video idea into the box. Next, choose your aspect ratio depending on the platform you're targeting. Use 9:16 for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, and 16:9 for standard YouTube videos. Then select your video duration. Videoinu allows you to create videos up to 30 minutes long, giving you plenty of room for storytelling or educational content. Now pick your language. You can choose from English, Portuguese, and many others, making it easy to reach global audiences. Finally, choose your animation style. For our penguin-themed video, we'll go with 3D cartoon or animal style to give it a fun, playful look that grabs attention. Once everything is set, click Next and Videoinu. AI will automatically generate the scenes for your story, including the total number of shots and the duration of your video. This is where your video really starts to come to life. Once your scenes are ready, click Next again to move on to the cast section. Here, the AI analyzes your script and detects how many characters are needed for your video. You have two options. You can either click on each character slot to manually assign or edit a custom AI character, including any you created earlier using the AI character generator, or you can let the AI handle it for you. To speed things up, we'll let the AI auto-cast the characters. Just click Auto-Cast and Videoinu will instantly assign characters to each scene based on your script. Once the cast is set, click Next again to proceed to the storyboard interface. As you can see, all our images have been generated. Take a moment to review each one and make sure you're happy with how everything looks. Next, let's set up the AI voiceover for our animation. Click on the speaker option to open a wide selection of realistic AI voices. You can preview each voice to see which one fits the tone of your story best. Once you've found the one you like, select it and click OK to apply it. Now it's time to animate our images into a video. Start by selecting the first image, then click on Animate. You'll see two options, either animate images one by one or animate all images at once. For more control, we'll animate them one by one. This gives us access to Videoinu's powerful AI animation tools, including Lip Sync, Videoinu v1.0, Hailuo AI, and Kling AI. Choose the animation tool you prefer and click Animate. The AI will begin transforming your static image into a fully animated scene. Repeat this process for each image in your storyboard. As each scene is animated, you can preview the results. Let's preview the first clip. It's smooth and natural. Now let's preview the second one. If you're not satisfied with any animation, simply select the clip and click Regenerate. Once the new image is ready, let's animate it. Now the newly animated clips is ready. Let's preview it to ensure it's exactly what you want. Continue this step for all remaining clips, making sure your full video flows well visually and emotionally. You can also add sound effects to individual clips to enhance the viewer experience and make your video more engaging. Once you're happy with the animations and sound design, click Next to move into the final editing stage. To wrap up your project, start by selecting the cover image for your video. Scroll through your generated scenes and choose the one that visually stands out. This is the first thing viewers will see, so make it eye-catching. Next, enter your video title for the cover. You can either write your own or use one of the AI-generated title suggestions. Then choose a title style from the available presets. Explore the options and select the one that best fits your video's theme and tone. After that, click on the Subtitles tab. Here you can pick a subtitle style to match your visual style and improve accessibility and engagement. Now move on to the background music section. Videoinu provides a wide range of free, royalty-free music tracks that are safe to use on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Preview the tracks and select the one that best fits the mood of your animation. Once everything is in place, click Generate, then reconfirm your aspect ratio depending on where you plan to upload. After that, choose your video resolution. For the best quality, I recommend going with the highest available resolution. Click Generate Video and the AI will begin compiling your full animated project. One of Videoinu's best features is its fast rendering speed. Within seconds, your fully animated voiceover-ready video will be complete. Now go ahead and download your video to your device. Let's take a look at the final result.
Percy gazes longingly at birds soaring overhead. He sketches flying machines in the snow. Percy collects materials for his invention. He constructs wings from ice and feathers. Other penguins gather to watch Percy's attempt. Percy jumps and crashes immediately. The colony laughs as Percy dusts himself off. Percy works by moonlight on new designs. He creates a sleeker flying machine. Dark clouds gather as Percy prepares to test again. Wind gusts suddenly catch his wings. Percy soars through the stormy sky. He realizes he's actually flying. Percy masters control of his flight.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comment section.